I need to talk to you about something I see everywhere. Women over 50 relying on oversized, shapeless coats to stay warm, thinking it's chic, when in reality, it's actually adding years and hiding all their natural elegance. Now, before you think I'm against cozy outerwear, let me be clear. Warmth and comfort are essential. But the issue isn't the coat itself. It's the way it's being styled. And today, we're uncovering the subtle mistakes that are making you look heavier, shorter, and older than you actually are. Mistake 1. The blanket coat trap. Here's the first mistake I see constantly. Giant, blanket-like coats worn head to toe. Instead of looking stylish and intentional, they overwhelm your frame, erase your silhouette, and make you appear weighed down. I once saw a beautiful woman in her 60s walking through the city in a huge black wrap coat. She was radiant, but the coat swallowed her whole, turning chic, layering into a bulky, shapeless outline. Why it's aging you. When everything in your outerwear is oversized and heavy, it creates visual weight. The eye can't find your proportions, and instead of elegance, the impression is hidden under fabric. The elegant solution. Choose coats with structure and definition. Look for tailored wool coats with belts or princess seams that gently follow your body's natural lines. A mid-calf length in camel, navy, or soft grey instantly elevates your look while still keeping you warm. The difference? You're not hiding, you're highlighting your sophistication. Mistake 2. Dark colours right against the face. Here's another mistake I see all the time. Wearing dark, heavy coats or tops right up to the neckline with no contrast at all. On their own, dark colours like black, navy, or charcoal can be powerful. But when they sit directly under your chin without anything to break them up, they drain your complexion, making you look washed out and tired. Why this is aging. Dark fabrics absorb light instead of reflecting it back to your skin. Without contrast, your natural glow gets muted, and fine lines or shadows around the face become more noticeable. The elegant solution. Add light, warmth, and contrast near your face. A soft scarf in cream, blush, or jewel tones instantly lifts your features. Statement jewelry, like a gold necklace or pearl earrings, brings brightness where you need it most. Even leaving your neckline slightly open with a blouse or collared shirt underneath creates definition and keeps the dark fabric from overwhelming your face. The difference is dramatic. You'll look more vibrant, awake, and polished without giving up the chic power of dark outerwear. Mistake 3. Faded, washed-out fabrics. Nothing drags down an elegant look faster than coats, sweaters, or trousers in black or navy that have lost their depth. I see it often. A once rich black coat that's now dull, charcoal, or trousers that look tired from too many washes. Instead of reading as chic, faded fabrics signal neglect and instantly make the outfit look dated. Why this is aging? When dark colours fade, they lose their sharpness. Instead of clean, polished lines, the outfit looks flat and lifeless. On mature skin, this dullness reflects back, making you appear more tired than you really are. The elegant solution. Be intentional with your dark pieces. Invest in fabrics that hold their colour, quality wool, silk blends, or well-made synthetics. And once a piece starts to lose its richness, either retire it or refresh it with fabric dye or professional care. Better yet, mix in contrasting textures. Pair a deep black coat with a glossy leather bag, or a matte trouser with a silk blouse. That richness of tone and finish instantly restores depth and sophistication. Fresh, vibrant black is powerful. Faded black, it's working against you. Mistake 4. All matte, no texture. Here's a mistake that flies under the radar but makes a huge difference. Wearing all matte fabrics in black or dark tones without any variation in texture. When everything in your outfit has the same flat finish, it creates what I call the black hole effect. Instead of looking sleek, the outfit absorbs all the light and ends up dull and lifeless. Why this is aging? Flat, uniform fabrics don't reflect light, which means your outfit, and even your complexion, can appear heavy and drained. With no contrast or dimension, your style loses that sense of richness and polish. The elegant solution. Mix textures like a designer would. Pair a matte wool coat with a silk blouse that catches the light. Add a patent leather bag or shoes with a subtle sheen. Consider lace, satin, tweed, or ribbed knits to introduce depth and visual interest. Even staying in an all-black palette, these textures play off one another beautifully, creating elegance and energy without ever looking busy. The key is simple. Let light work for you, not against you. Shraktrawawa. Mistake 5. Head to toe. Loose and shapeless. This is the mistake I see most often, and it's heartbreaking because it's so easy to fix. Women assume that wearing all loose, oversized black pieces will be slimming. In reality, it does the opposite. A baggy black sweater, wide black pants, and a long, shapeless cardigan together don't hide your shape. They erase it. Why this is aging? When every element of your outfit is oversized, you lose your proportions. Instead of looking slimmer, the effect is bulky and heavy, making you appear shorter and older than you are. Black amplifies this by creating one solid, undefined block of fabric. The elegant solution. Balance is everything. If you wear wide-leg trousers, pair them with a fitted or softly tailored top. If you choose an oversized knit, style it with slim trousers or a sleek skirt. Remember, well-fitted doesn't mean tight. It means clothing that skims your body, follows your natural lines, and restores proportion. With the right balance, you look intentional, polished, and confident, never hidden under fabric. Mistake 6. Worn-out accessories with black. Nothing ruins a chic black outfit faster than tired, neglected accessories. I'm talking about scuffed black shoes, scratched handbags, or belts with fraying edges. Against a dark, elegant outfit, these flaws stand out even more. And instead of looking sophisticated, the whole look feels worn and careless. Why this is aging? Accessories are the finishing touch. When they look shabby, they drag down the entire outfit, no matter how well your clothing fits. Small details like cracks in leather or dull, faded hardware signal neglect, not polish. The elegant solution. Maintain what you already own. Use leather conditioners, polish, and protective sprays to keep black accessories looking rich and fresh. Rotate pieces so they last longer, and when it's time, invest in timeless replacements. Structured handbags, sleek belts, and well-made shoes that hold up over time. Remember, accessories don't just complement your outfit, they define it. Clean, polished finishing touches take your look from good to incredible. Mistake 7. Believing fit doesn't matter in black. There's a common myth that black is so slimming it can hide any fit issue. But here's the truth. Poorly fitting black clothes are just as unflattering as poorly fitting clothes in any other color. Why this is aging? A black dress that's too tight shows every line and bulge. Black pants that are too loose create sagging and bunching. Instead of the chic, streamlined look you're going for, the result is sloppy and unpolished. The forgiving power of black disappears the moment the fit is off. The elegant solution. Hold your black pieces to the same standard of fit you would with lighter colors. Blazers should hug the shoulders cleanly. Pants should skim without pulling or pooling. Dresses should follow your shape, not fight it. Even a small tailoring adjustment, like hemming trousers or nipping in a waist, transforms an outfit from almost right to absolutely stunning. Perfect fit makes black look intentional, modern, and powerful. Mistake 8. All black with no accents or accessories. Many women think wearing head-to-toe black automatically looks chic. But here's the secret. Without any accents or accessories, all black can look flat, severe, or even unfinished. Why this is aging? When there's no break in the outfit, it can come across as heavy and lifeless. Instead of elegance, the impression is stark and dull, almost like morning attire rather than intentional fashion. The elegant solution. Use accents and accessories to bring your black outfits to life. Metallic jewelry, gold, silver, or pearls adds sparkle and reflects light back to your face. A colorful scarf introduces pattern and personality without overwhelming sophistication. Even a bold belt can define your waist and break up a solid block of black. These small touches make your outfit feel styled, not accidental, transforming plain black into polished elegance. Closing. Wearing black with confidence. And there you have it. 8 common mistakes women over 50 make when wearing black, and the simple fixes that transform it from harsh and aging to timeless and elegant. Remember, black is not the problem. It's how you style it. With the right fabrics, textures, fit, and finishing touches, black becomes one of the most powerful tools in your wardrobe. Slimming, sophisticated, and effortlessly chic.